You know, every single car you've ever admired, it all started as a simple line on a page. For decades, that sketchbook was the sacred first step for any car designer. But now, in an age of pixels and AI, what does that sketchbook even look like for your generation? Well, that's the big question we're going to dig into today. So, pencil versus pixel. Look, this is so much more than a debate about tools. This is a question that is literally going to define your career. The skills you decide to master right now will absolutely shape the cars of tomorrow. So where do you fit in this whole new landscape? Let's find out. To really understand where we're all headed, we first have to appreciate where we've been. For generations, the designer's first mark on the page, that initial sketch, was the spark for every single automotive icon you can think of. I mean, just try to imagine the design studios of the 20th century. For the visionaries who created the legendary cars we still drool over today, the process was pure. It was direct. Every curve, every line, it all began with that simple, physical connection of a pencil to a piece of paper. And here's exactly why that tradition still holds on so strong. There's this powerful, kind of primal connection between your brain, your hand, and the paper. It's all about capturing a raw idea in its purest form, with a personal touch that a machine just can't replicate. But let's be real, the design world you're about to walk into is way more complex. We're at a massive digital crossroads, where tradition is constantly meeting, and yeah, sometimes clashing with, all this new technology. It's just not about pen and paper anymore. The whole industry is being reshaped by artificial intelligence, by digital sculpting, and generative design. And this brings up a really critical question. How does the humble sketch even survive in this high-tech future? So here's where we are right now. On one hand, you have that personal, irreplaceable touch and the immediate feedback of a hand sketch. On the other hand, you've got the digital edge. You've got speed, you've got flexibility, and that seamless link to 3D modeling software. It's the classic tug-of-war between art and technology. But the evolution doesn't just stop with digital tablets. Oh no, the next huge shift is already here, and it's coming in the form of artificial intelligence. Not as a replacement for you, but maybe as a creative co-pilot. And this, of course, brings us to the question that is on every aspiring designer's mind. With AI moving so incredibly fast, is the fundamental skill of sketching actually becoming obsolete? Just think about this for a second. Generative AI tools like Midjourney can create these stunningly complex designs from just a simple text prompt. So if a machine can generate 1,000 ideas in the time it takes you to sketch out just one, where does that leave the human designer? But you know, there's a whole other way to look at this. AI is also this powerful democratizing force. It's breaking down old barriers, letting anyone with a great idea visualize it, whether they have formal training or not. And what does that mean? It means more diverse voices and visions are coming into the world of car design. Okay, so let's bring all this back down to you and your career. What do all these changes, digital tools, AI, new workflows, what do they actually mean for your sketchbook and for your future? Here it is. This is the key takeaway. Sketching isn't just about having an idea. It's about communicating it. A great sketch is a story, it's a pitch, it's a blueprint all in one. It has to be so compelling that it inspires everyone from your fellow designers all the way up to the CEO. So what should you really be focused on? Is it the energy of your line work, the technical precision of your perspective, or is it something more fundamental? Is it the way you communicate a vision so clearly that anyone looking at your sketch can already see the final car taking shape in their mind? As you get ready to jump into this industry that's changing by the second, your greatest challenge isn't going to be mastering a single tool. It's going to be adopting a completely new mindset. It's not about choosing the pencil or the pixel. And it's definitely not about fighting against AI. Your job as the next generation is to find that perfect balance. To know when a quick hand-drawn sketch is the best way to communicate an emotion, and when a digital tool or an AI co-pilot is what you need to push that idea forward. The tools in your sketchbook are evolving faster than ever before. Pen, paper, tablet, VR, AI, they are all at your disposal. The real question is, how are you going to combine them to communicate your unique vision? How will you make your mark?